Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to use effects and filters on Likee. If you want to create fun, eye-catching videos on Likee, then you can use the Likee's video effect and filters option. First of all, launch the Likee app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are logged in, go to the bottom center of the screen and tap on the plus button. Doing so will take you to your device's camera. Now go ahead and select a video or take a video right away by tapping on the red circle at the bottom of the screen. Your video will start recording. Once you are done with your video, you can tap the tick mark at the bottom right, and then once you see the video in the preview, go to the top right corner and you will be able to see several tools such as subtitle, stickers, filters, challenge, edit, etc. If you tap on the drop-down button, you will see other options such as effects. To access the effects, tap on the effect button and then you can browse through Likee's real-time visual effects such as energy, videotape, etc. that has been shown on the screen. Select any one effect you'd like to apply to the video. You'll need to long press on the effect to add it on your video, and once you are done, tap the tick mark at the bottom right. And you will then be able to add the effect onto the video. If you want to add filters, go to the top right corner and tap on the filters button. From the available list of filters, choose the color tones, lighting changes, or anyone that you'd like from the menu. You can browse through the available categories by swiping left or right and selecting it. After you are done with your selection, you can then go ahead and add music, text, and other effects onto your video. Once done, and you are happy with the result, click on the next button at the bottom and then go ahead and publish your video by adding appropriate hashtags and description to get more views. After you are done with your video and you are ready to post, all you need to do now is to tap on post at the bottom right and your video will be posted with your desired filter and effect. So if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.